Stop. Before you avoid credit cards forever, you need to hear this. Because one of the biggest credit myths is quietly destroying people's financial future. You've probably heard this before. Never use a credit card. Maybe from family, maybe from friends, maybe from someone online. Their logic sounds simple. If I don't use credit, I can't get into debt. And honestly, that sounds reasonable. But banks don't think like normal people. Banks think in data, numbers, patterns, risk signals. That's where most people get confused. Here's the truth. Banks don't build your credit score from a card you never use. They build it from activity. Read that again. Activity. No activity means less information. And less information doesn't help you build strong credit. Think about it like this. Imagine you're a teacher. A student never attends class, never submits homework, never takes exams. Can you confidently give them an A? No. Banks are the same. If you never use your credit card, you're giving banks almost nothing to evaluate. And when banks don't have enough data, they trust you less. But smart people understand something important. Using a credit card is not the problem. Using it irresponsibly is. There's a huge difference. Rich people don't fear credit. They control it. Here's how smart users build credit. They use the card for normal expenses: gas, groceries, bills, subscriptions, things they already pay for. Then they pay the balance on time, every single month. That sends powerful signals to banks. This person borrows responsibly, pays reliably, manages risk well. That's what builds great credit. Not avoiding credit, managing credit. And here's the crazy part. A strong credit score can save you thousands. Lower loan rates, better mortgage deals, higher card approvals, more financial freedom. Same income, different credit score, completely different opportunities. That's why wealthy people treat credit like a tool. Not free money, not a trap, a tool. Use it correctly, and it works for you. Use it badly, and it works against you. That's the real game. Follow MoneyMind AI for more USA finance hacks.